friends, Julie here with Deschutes Public Library. Today we're thinking about the science of sound and making some musical instruments. Sound travels in waves, sort of like ripples in water. You can't see them, but our atmosphere is made up of tiny molecules. The sound waves travel through the atmosphere like the ripples travel through water. The waves start with a vibration. Have you ever been so close to thunder that you could feel the vibration? Or maybe you felt the vibration of fireworks? Try this. Put your hand on your throat gently and hum. Can you feel the vibration? Those are your vocal cords vibrating. Guitar strings vibrate at different frequencies depending on how long and thick the string is. This thin string makes a fast wave that sounds high. When I press my finger on the string, it makes it shorter. Making a higher sound. This thicker string makes a slow wave that sounds low. How high or low the sound is called pitch. We can also vary the loudness of sound. The bigger the waves are, the louder they are. This is called amplitude. Let's make percussion instruments with stuff you have at home. You just need a container and something to shake inside of it. For your container, you can use film canisters or empty pill bottles, small yogurt containers, a can, even a small box will work. What other containers do you think would work well? For the filling, you could use sand, pebbles, dried beans, uncooked rice or pasta. They all make interesting and different sounds. What else would make an interesting sound? For my own, I found coffee beans, pebbles, and pennies to try. It's fun to see how changing the materials varies the sound. Let's see how it is. Pill bottle with pebbles. I like that one. Can with rocks. Louder, isn't it? Pennies in a box. And coffee beans in a little can. I like that one. It smells nice too. Now, if you've got a hex nut, it's a 6-sided nut you get at the hardware store. We're going to put that right into the balloon. Keep it down low for safety and blow it up. Not too big because it will break easily. So now you're going to hold the balloon from the top like this with one hand and just kind of get it going like that. What do you think makes that sound? Well, the hex nut has 6 sides, as we talked about before, and each time it goes from a corner to the side, there's a little vibration, and that's what makes the sound, the friction of the angle and the side against the balloon. So next I'd like to try it with a few other things that I have. I have a penny. Pretty quiet. How about a dime? Okay, now I've got a dime in this one. Let's see. Kind of a whispery sound, maybe a little louder than the pennies with those tiny ridges in the dime. Okay, finally, I've got this big hex nut, and I'm saving this for last because I think it might pop the balloon. But how do you think it will sound compared to the first hex nut? friends, I hope you're having fun with summer with the library and the Beanstack app. I'm going to go to my Beanstack app right now. And then week 2 Explorer, my first activity, check out DPL's event calendar and attend a virtual program. Guess what? I just did that. I'm on my way to earning a badge.